Hi, boys and girls. So we are done with our reading packets. We're done with those math packets. So now all your reading must-dos and your math must-dos are going to be in Google Classroom, and we have them on what we call Google Slides. I think you've used Google Slides a little bit with Mrs. Benigni. But anyway, I want to go over how I'm expecting you guys to answer the work using Google Slides. So the first thing, this is actually Tuesday's math must-do page, and when you open it up, it looks like this. It's really tiny, and I don't like it this tiny. It doesn't work with my eyes very well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and find this little magnifier where it says zoom now, and I'm going to just hit zoom in. Once I do that, it's much bigger. My eyes are happy. Now, okay, so bear with me because I am trying to record and use my computer at the same time. Okay, so when you get to do the examples, what you have to do is you have to find the yellow boxes. Anywhere you see a yellow box, that's where you're expected to type. Now, every assignment that I'm making, every Google slide that I'm making, I am having it where I use a yellow box. Other teachers, if you're doing something optional, maybe something that Mrs. Higley has put up here, or another teacher, they may not do the yellow box thing, but I am doing that anytime I have a Google slide. So look for the yellow boxes. Number 1 was done for you, so I'm not going to worry about that one right now. When you see this yellow box, in order to write in it, it says type here. In order to type in there, you have to click it first. So once I click it, you'll see I put a blue box around it. Now it lets me type whatever I want to type. So that is an important step you may not know. So let me try that again. If I click off of it, the blue is gone. In order to type in it, I have to click. Now I can type in there, okay? So that's an important step. It's the click in the yellow box. Make it blue. Now I can type. So you notice how it says the words type here? Feel free to delete that if you want. Or if you keep it, that's okay too. I'm going to delete it for that one. All right. If, like I said, you don't have to delete type here. You can keep type here anytime it's there. Okay. So I have to write. Now the lesson for this is all about expanded forms. If you watch my video on Tuesday, it shows me teaching all about expanded form. This is a review though, so you might hopefully know a little bit about it. So number 2, it says I have to write the expanded form for 300, 110, and 5 ones. Okay. So that would be 315 or 315. Okay. But now I can't write 3 plus 1 plus 5. On the video, I show you how that's not expanded form. We have to write what each of those numbers really means. All right, so in expanded form, 300 is 300. So you would type in 300. Again, that blue box is around it. That allows me to be able to type there. Okay, 110 just means 10. So look, I'm using my arrow, and I'm going over past the plus sign, and I'm going to write 10. Now I'm going to use my arrow again. When I say arrow, hitting that button until I get to my plus sign. And what does the 5 mean? The 5 just means plain old 5 ones means plain old 5. I click 5. And what does that equal? What number is that? It's 315. All right. So again, when I get to number 3, in order to write, I have to click in that yellow space. Now I'm allowed to type in there. Okay. Now, I'm not going to give all the answers out, so I'm not going to do that one, but I'm just kind of showing you how to use it. To get to page 2, I click over here. There's page 2. Now, because it's zoomed in, I'm only seeing the bottom. I want to go to the top. Again, I'm trying to record and use my computer at the same time, so not so easy with one finger. All right. So again, you continue on. You click, make it blue. You can erase type here or not, and then you write in your answer. Okay. When you get to the last one, sometimes you guys want and I love it when you show your work more. If you want to make this bigger, look at, well, I'm moving it there, but I can, if I click here, I think you know how to do this with this beginning. And you drag it, you can make it as big as you want, and then you can write your answer in. If you wanted to write a really, a sentence or a big number sentence or whatever you want to do to show your work, you can do that there. Okay, don't forget, you always hit turn in and the end so that I can see it, and hopefully you're able to understand how to use Google Slides. All right, thank you, bye-bye.